Stars don't live forever. When they die, they collapse and their energy is condensed into a single point with a reach so powerful that not even light can escape its grasp. This phenomenon is called a black hole. Today, we'll be covering the history, formation, and types of black holes, and what would happen to you if you were to fall into one. The origin of our current understanding of black holes dates back to around 1915. In the midst of World War I, a renowned mathematician and theorist by the name of Carl Schwarzschild received a package from a colleague detailing the general theory of relativity. This colleague was none other than Albert Einstein. The two theorists worked back and forth for almost a year, developing a solution to describe how space-time wraps around spherical objects, including planets and stars, and they came to the conclusion of black holes. According to NASA, a black hole is an area in space where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape. Gravity is so strong in black holes because matter has been squeezed into a tiny space. There are two main types of black holes we will discuss today. A smaller black hole is called a stellar mass black hole. Stellar mass black holes are quite small, with a mass of only 20 times more than that of our Sun. A larger black hole is called a supermassive black hole. Supermassive black holes are much larger than stellar mass black holes, with a mass greater than 1 million suns combined. Within black holes, the gravitational field becomes so strong that all particles become trapped, including light. The point of no escape is known as the event horizon. According to Choi-Einstein's theory of special relativity, nothing can travel faster through space than the speed of light. Therefore, since the event horizon marks the point where gravity is so strong that light cannot escape anymore, and nothing can travel faster than the speed of light, this means that nothing can escape once it has passed the event horizon. You may also be wondering, what is at the center of a black hole? Many people incorrectly believe there is something called a singularity at the center, which, according to Paul Sutter of SUNY Stony Brook, is an area at the center of a black hole where mass is compressed into an infinitely tiny point. However, most scientists believe that a singularity does not exist, and there actually is not much known about what is truly at the center of a black hole. So what would happen if you were to fall into a black hole? Your experience would be very different depending on which type of black hole you fell into. According to Lucy Freeman in BBC Earth, if you fell into a smaller black hole, such as a stellar mass black hole, your body would be subjected to a process called spaghettification. Stellar mass black holes have incredibly high levels of gravity, and since one part of your body, say your feet, is marginally closer to the center than the other side of your body, the difference in gravitational forces, otherwise known as tidal forces, would be large enough to stretch your body apart. However, if you were to fall into a larger black hole, such as a supermassive black hole, your experience would be much less brutal. The tidal forces in a supermassive black hole are not strong enough to cause spaghettification, so you would not be stretched apart and would be able to pass comfortably into the black hole. However, once you pass the event horizon, you would be fully unable to escape the black hole and you'd be privy to the unknown. Scientists still don't know what happens once you had passed the event horizon, but there are theories ranging from your particles disintegrating to wormholes to other galaxies and universes. Black holes still represent many unknowns, as humans have only very recently been able to take pictures of the nearest black hole to us, much less be able to visit one. However, there is much research being done currently that will lead to our understandings of black holes continuing to grow in the near future. So next time you gaze up into the cosmos, take a moment to admire the sights, as all of the stars you see will eventually become black holes one day.